Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn French with Pihu. I'm Pihu and today we'll finally start with a new topic, the basic French greetings. So let me recall you what we have done in our previous video. So in our previous video, we have talked about the French greetings but in detailed version. And in today's video, we will talk about in basic version. So if you haven't watched it, go check it out. The link is in the description box. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's learn basic French greetings. So how can you say, like in English, we say good morning. So how can you say good morning in French? Yes, think about it. Yes, it's bonjour. It's bonjour. Okay. So what is bonjour in English? It's good morning. Okay. So like in English, we say good evening. So how can you say good evening in French? Yes, you can say it as bonsoir. Bonsoir. So you can say bonsoir. Okay. Now how can you say good night? Yes, you can say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. So you can say bonne nuit. So here for your reference, I have also gave you a third column also to improve your pronunciations. Okay, so for your pronunciation reference, you can refer to third column. Okay, so it will help you in correct pronunciation as well as in simple meaning also. So let's continue. So how can you say good night? You can say bonne nuit. Now how can you say goodbye? You can say au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. So how can you say goodbye? You can say au revoir. Now how can you say hi or bye in French? Yes, you can say salut, salut. So in French, for saying hi or bye, for the informal version, we use salut. Okay? Now, how can you say thank you? Yes, you can say merci, merci. So for the thank you, you say merci. Okay. Now, how can you say thank you very much? Yes, you can say merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. So beaucoup in French means thanks a lot, like a lot. Okay. So beaucoup means a lot, and when we say merci beaucoup, so it becomes thanks a lot. Okay. So how can you say please in French? Yes, you can say s'il te plaît, s'il te plaît. So s'il te plaît is used for informal people. Okay, like informal version, like you can use for your friends, classmates, who is close to your age or younger than you. Okay, so you can use s'il te plaît for saying please in informal version. Okay. Now, how can you say please in formal way? Yes, you can say s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. So the difference is only that in the other one we say s'il te plaît, we add the in it, and in the other one we say s'il vous plaît. So here we add vous at the place of the. Okay? So that's the difference. Now, how can you say pleasure to meet you? Yes, you can say enchanté. Enchanté. Okay, so you can say enchanté. Now, how can you say how are you? Yes, you can say comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? So comment vas-tu is used for informal people, informal version. Okay, like for your friends, classmates. Okay. But now, how can you say how are you in formal way? You can say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? So you can say comment allez-vous? And how can you say and you? How can you say? Yes, you can say et toi, et toi, et toi. So et toi means and you. Okay, so et toi is used for informal version. Okay. Now how can you say and you in formal way? Yes, you can say et vous, et vous. So you can say et vous for the for the formal one. Okay, so the difference is that in the informal one we say et toi. Okay, so we add toi in it, but in the formal one we say et vous. So we add vous in it. Remember, in the formal ones you always add vous in it. Okay, so wherever you see vous, okay, so consider it as a formal one. Now, how can you say how are things? Like in English, you say how are the things, how it's going on. So how can you say that? So you say comment ça va, comment ça va, comment ça va. So comment ça va means how are the things or how are you? Okay. So if you want to respond it, how can you say? Like in English, we say well, thank you. How can you say bien, merci, bien, merci. So bien means good and merci means thanks. So it will becomes well, thank you. Okay. Now, how can you say very well in French? Yes, you can say très bien, très bien. So you can say très bien. Or how can you say not very good in French? You can say pas très bien, pas très bien. So pas means not. Okay. So pas in French is used for negation. Okay. So for saying not very good, you can just consider très bien and place a pas in front of it. So it will become not very good. Okay. Now, how can you say not too bad? How can you say not too bad? Yes, you can say pas trop mal, pas trop mal. So for saying not very good, you can say pas trop mal. Okay. Now, how can you say see you soon? Yes, you can say à bientôt, à bientôt. So you can say à bientôt. Now, how can you say see you tomorrow? You can say à demain, à demain. So à demain means see you tomorrow. Okay. Now, how can you say good day? You can say bonne journée, bonne journée. So bonne journée is good day. Okay. Now we are done with our basic greetings. Now let's talk about the basic self-introduction in French. Means se présenter. Okay. So introducing yourself is important and students can check here the introduction part in both formal and casual ways. Okay, so now let's see. Like in French we say je m'appelle Akshita. Je m'appelle Akshita. So je m'appelle Akshita means my name is Akshita. Okay. So in French, je m'appelle is used for my name is. Example like my name is Pihu. So how can I say it in French? We say je m'appelle Pihu. Okay, so it will become my name is Pihu. Okay. Now how can we say? Now how like we say j'ai 14 ans. J'ai 14 ans. So what will it mean? So it will become I'm 14 years old. Example like I'm 13 years old. So how can I say it in French? Yes, I can say it in like je suis 13 ans. Sorry, j'ai 13 ans. Okay? So I will say j'ai 13 ans means I'm 13 years old. Like I want to say je suis étudiante. Je suis étudiante. So what will it means? It means that I'm a student. So étudiante means student. Okay, like I'm a student. Like for your place where you live, you will say j'habite en Inde. J'habite en Inde. So it will become I live in India. I live in India. Okay. So j'habite en is I live in. Okay. Like example, if I say I live in France. So how will I say it in French? So I will say j'habite en France. Okay. J'habite en France. So it will become I live in France. Now, like in French, we say je parle un peu français. Je parle un peu français. So what does it mean? It means like I speak a little French. I speak a little French. Okay. So un peu means little. Like if I say I speak a little Hindi. So how will I say it in French? In French we say je parle un peu Hindi. So it will become I speak a little Hindi. Okay. Now, like in French, we say enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. So, what does it mean? Nice to meet you. Okay. So, for saying someone nice to meet you, so we will say enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Okay. Now, let's move on to practice time. So, how can we say hi or bye in French? Yes, think about it. Yeah, it's salut. Now, how can we say hello, good morning, or good day in French? Yes, think about it. Yes, the correct option is bonjour. Now, how can we say good evening in French? Yes, it's bonsoir. Now, how can we say good night? Yes, it's bonne nuit. Now, how can we say goodbye? Yes, it's au revoir. Now, how can we say madame or mistress? Yes, it's madame. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. So great job. You just learned basic French greetings. Keep practicing every day and improve faster than you think. So our next video will be on French months and days. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Learn French with You for more upcoming videos like this. Okay, so bye and see you soon.